Well, we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Hessen Antique. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. Hessen Antique. Alright, let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. I didn't take any notes, so let's hope there's a manifest in here. There is. Alrighty. Looks like it's double-sided printed. And they've made a note that one item is out of stock and has been refunded, which I did see. So again, Hessen Antique. So let's go ahead and see what we got. Got a bunch of stuff in a bag itself. And there we are. So let's go ahead and put this aside. Alright, what shall we do first? Let's get this big thing out of the way. Looks like there's a warning on there. Cancer and reproductive harm. Uh-oh. Actually, there's two things here. Alright, so what is this? Actually, it's even labeled. So let's see how this syncs up with the manifest. Czech M85 OD vinyl bread bag. And their order code. You can see it's rubberized, that kind of canvasy but synthetic material, possibly. Reinforcements for the handles there. Shoulder strap. Buckled on with these D-rings. Although the way this one is arranged is interesting. This is actually stitched in, and then this D-ring is separate. Interesting little detail there. Little window area for inserting an identification. Something for strap pass-through. More D-rings to be able to hook stuff onto, and also re-cinch this as a loop. Two of those here, and let's see, we have these top flaps that can be buckled to help keep the contents a little bit drier. Here we have a little flap for the inner pocket there and there, split down the middle. Two pockets, and then the bottom does not have any reinforcement material, just the reinforcement rivets. And something just popped out here. Looks like there's a little interesting little claw device here. Alright, it's kind of rusty, so we'll have to figure out what this goes with. It's kind of like a can opener. And yep, can opener, bottle opener. How's that for a freebie? Thank you. Things you find. Alright, so we got a little something extra there. So Czech M85 OD vinyl bread bag with a surprise in it. Next up, we got this big thing here. I don't see a tag on it, maybe on the inside, maybe not. What we got here is the Swiss Messenger briefcase, I believe. And this is the style that actually should expand in size. So in this configuration, it's in the satchel format. You can see this leather handle on the top. Place here for an additional strap. It's this style of main buckle system. ID window. It looks like there's a little bit of damage to that. I mean, it is quite old. There's some writing on there from the previous user. I wonder if that can just be removed itself. Possibly. Yeah, so that can be replaced with a new card. A flexible material. So you can see how this expands out. And then there's another set of buckles. So then this can be then used to cinch those to those 2 points. Zipper that comes around, and the inner area there, a lot of reinforcement points for the buckles. Looks like there's some use here, so it'll be easily cleaned up since this is rubberized material. Don't see any additional details that stand out at the moment. Some reinforced snaps, so this can be snapped together to hold that together a little bit tighter. So again, Swiss messenger briefcase, also possibly garment bag as well. Alright, next up, let's check out the contents of this plastic bag. So let's go with the largest thing first I see here. Is a Swiss Camo rucksack with straps. So this is the standalone style of rucksack with its own shoulder straps, as you can see. I don't think there's any adjustments because it's just sewn at the other end and there is no cinch points. There is a cross buckle across the chest area. And it looks like we use a little bit of a minor cleanup on some of these reinforced points here that you can mount Alice clips, I believe. 2 more points to put extra straps onto as needed. And let's start off here. Let's see. Yeah. So off to the sides are these elasticized top on these long pockets that go down to the bottom with some slight reinforcement, and the drain hole grommets. And also on this side as well. And then there's the large main pocket with, this one has 3 snaps. So here's the one on the left, the one in the middle, and then way over here is the one on the right side. And then likewise on the large flap, the 3 snap points left, right, and middle there. Like multiple drain holes, a little bit of wear there. Keep that in mind. Might want to put some fabric tape on the inner surface, help reinforce that a little bit. And no reinforcement on the bottom, just drain hole grommets. So, Swiss Camo rucksack with straps. I'm not sure if this is the M83 pattern or not. Someone can leave a comment. Let's move on to some of these smaller items. Okay, like items go together. Actually, these have identified. Nope, those are cancer warnings. Interesting. Alright, this one has a tag, British Army Commander's MTP pouch, and the order number there. The SKU. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. There is the label, Osprey Mark IV MTP pouch, Commanders, and a SEN number, and another lot number, spot for name and number. Looks like somebody's actual name number there, and a little bit of stain there. No big deal. Large reinforced snaps there. And molly loops on this side, the front side. Got the small pocket there. Large soft latch area for the hook and latch, and then inside here is a little bit of a loop, and then the pocket itself. So, British Army Commander's MTP pouch. These two, then by process elimination, are British Army 9mm pistol magazine MTP pouch. Two of these. You can see, if we actually look here, unsnap it, unsnap that one already. These are also Osprey Mark IV system MTP pouch ammunition, 9mm pistol, and SN number is NIV, and then there's also their lot as well. So you can see those reinforced snaps, molly loops, and then the main compartment there for the magazines. So these are two of the British Army 9mm pistol magazine MTP pouch. And last up in this separate bag, we've got a whole bunch of smaller items. Looks like all patches. So let's start with these two. Are Italia flag rubber patches. Two of those. See, hook and latch, and then actual hologram stickers. I'm not sure how that will show up on camera. Got the NSN number, and looks like jackets to go is the main icon there for a running figure in a circle. And I can't read the lettering at the top, it's a little bit too reflective. Give me 1 second. High quality patches by JTG Jackets to Go. Okay, easy enough. So Italia flag rubber patches. And next up, we're going to have a series of patches, so I'm going to go through these one after the other. So, oh boy, what we've got here, hopefully this won't fall, we have the 10th Special Forces Group ODA 032 deployment patch, so for ODA unit, that's the Lebanon era, quite large. And then we also have the large version of 1st Battalion 10th Special Forces Group deployment patch, very nice, another large one. And we also have the Special Forces JFK, John F. Kennedy, Special Warfare School patch, also a larger version. And then to wrap up, we have two versions of the USACAPOC, CAPOC. One is in Desert Storm style, and the other one is in DCU. So one is the Desert Storm version, one is a DCU Camo version. there. Alright, so working our way backwards, we have a whole bunch of Special Forces and the Special Warfare School related patches, larger versions, besides the shoulder sized. We also had 2 of the Italia flag rubber patches, 2 of the British Army 9mm pistol magazine MTP pouches. We just had the British Army Commander's MTP pouch. We have a Swiss Camo rucksack with straps, the Swiss Messenger briefcase, as well as starting off with the Czech M85 OD vinyl bread bag. And these all came from Hessen Antique. And again, feel free to check them out. We have a large variety of items. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on specific vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We also do a series of book review media reviews and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.